Welcome, in front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the PIN code to your device. Well, the first thing to do is check if you're trying to enter the PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, because those two are often mistaken for each other. And if you're sure, then try and remember the PIN code that you entered the last time. Give it a couple of tries, and if it doesn't work for you, then the other best solution would be to contact MEIZU customer support service, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you recover your device, regain the access to your device without any data loss. And if this option is unavailable to you as well, then you can perform the factory reset of your device, and you can do it two ways. Either you can do it remotely if you didn't disable Find My Device feature on your phone manually, and if you haven't, then you can use Find Hub feature by Google that you can enter from any device that is available to you, and simply select your simply log into your Google account using the data that you entered on this phone, and select this device and select factory reset, and the entire process will be performed by itself. And this way you can do it remotely. And if you disabled Find My Device feature on your phone, then you can perform factory reset locally. To do that, you have to enter recovery mode and wipe all data from your phone. And if you don't know how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining the process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for me, I think that will be all. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.